Hey kids, welcome to Tasty Alphabet Adventure. Today we are going on a super yummy trip to the farmer's market. Get ready to explore fresh fruits and veggies from A to Z. Let's begin with the first three letters A, B, and C.
Let's go!
Is for apples. Look at all these colorful apples. Red, green, and yellow. Did you know apples help keep you strong and smart? They are full of vitamins and fiber.
Crunchy and sweet. Let's make a fruit salad.
Yummy! That's one tasty and healthy snack. B is for berries. Look, strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. Berries are full of antioxidants. They help protect our bodies and keep us feeling great.
I love berry smoothies.
Try it at home. It's easy and very delicious. C is for carrots. Look at these. Orange, yellow, even purple. Carrots are great for your eyes. They have lots of vitamin A.
I like baby carrots with hummus. Crunch, crunch.
That's a super snack, fresh and fun to munch. Wow! Today we learned all about A for apples, B for berries, C for carrots.
And we had so much fun.
You can find all these goodies at your local farmer's market. Try new fruits and veggies. They're fresh, healthy, and tasty.
Thanks for coming with us on our alphabet adventure.
See you next time. For D, E, and F, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.